Okay, so I'm buying this Jumbo Rikuma Bear Squishy Hamburger Soft Bread Scented. It's $1.35 free shipping. It should come between May 17th and June 22nd. And I'm also gonna buy this one, a Kuga Y Donut Soft Squishy Colorful Soft Foam Charm. It's gonna be a surprise. So for 72 cents free shipping. It should come in May 11th to May 25th. I really actually like this one at the beginning. I like that neon green or the white or chocolate donut. But I really hope they don't come defected or slow rising, or they're not as squishy. And next week to buy a panda bun, and lots of people have panda buns, so I'm gonna get one.